If you are struggling with your rejected Facebook and Instagram shop, you're on the right place. This is the right video for you. We offer our service to get you approved for the rejected Facebook and Instagram shops with 100% money back guarantee. Let me read you one few of the recent reviews we had on the Fiverr. Okay, these are the reviews, and you can also read, but let me read it for you. This service was excellent, great communication, and willingness to get everything working as it should. I would definitely recommend his service, and I look forward to working with him again. Okay, there's the second one is interesting. My situation was very complicated, and you try, and you make it worse. And finally, the thing is so much complicated that you cannot fix it. It's like near to impossible. But we have some internal things, and we have some you know, like we have some special techniques that we use, and those are 100% white hat. There is no bad impact on your account. Okay, so we have done almost like 150, or you can say around 120, 30 to 150 accounts with the 100% approval rate, because we do not take the accounts that are that we understand these are not going to be fixed. So we do not commit on anything that cannot be fixed. We commit on the things that we understand that we can fix, and we solve all of the issues that you have on your Instagram and Facebook shopping, Google merchant accounts, oh sorry, Facebook and Instagram, this Facebook commerce manager of, or some people say it's like a Facebook commerce account. We fix all of the issues, and then we get it reviewed by the internal team that you cannot communicate. We have some after so much research, we have found some ways that we can get these reviewed legally, 100% legally. There's no black hat type of things, no cheating, no all of those stuff that can harm your business. So let me read you the next page. Okay, these are the few reviews that you can read, and we are going to take you on a channel, on a platform that is 100% secure. Your payment is secure. We there are two links that there might be this might take you to the Fiverr or to our website. Okay, so we keep on checking those things. But if you go on anything, if you go on Fiverr, the Fiverr is the third party. They guarantee you 100% money back guarantee. And if you go to our personal website, then you can be guaranteed by the PayPal. It's like 100% secure, and we also give you 100% money back guarantee. If your problem is not solved, you can take 100% money back, no question asked. Okay, so I've shown you my reviews. I've also shown you you have 100% money back guarantee. Okay, we have almost 100% approval rate, ratio or rate, whatever you say. And there's one more thing, that we do not take the accounts that we understand those cannot be fixed. So we only take the accounts that we know these can be fixed, these errors can be solved. And there are some things that we cannot solve, so we do not say that all of the things we can solve, but there are like 99% chances that 99% accounts can be solved. There are few accounts that are restricted, or that are that actually the client has made so much worse with those accounts. Those cannot be fixed, but we have other solution for you. If you have those problems, that we can provide you other solutions, give you approved account, or everything can be solved. Okay, so there's a link in the description of the video. just click on the link and you will lead to a landing page. Okay, so hope this will solve your issue.